Okay, so I'm gonna quickly show you how to give your character's scalp a color. This comes in handy in case your character has bold spots or is just too thin along the part line, especially if you can't generate enough particles with your system, your computer system. It's just not powerful enough for some reason. So what you do is you select your character, you go to edit mode, and in edit mode, you go to vertex, and then you go to your hair, and if it's not already selected, like say nothing selected, you go to select, hit select, and now you have your vertex groups of your mesh selected. And then you go down to here to material properties, and in material properties, it's pretty simple. You just go to assign, and then you have your color. So basically, whatever material you have selected here, which you can create a new one really easily. So I could just go there and new material, so plus and then new material like I just did. And then in here you can just, the simplest way is just select a color. And for extreme examples, there you go. And then you just go here and you hit assign. So obviously you'd want a color that is between the scalp skin color and your hair color. So something that doesn't say, hey, I'm paint, but something that also says that, you know, your scalp. So something that's kind of muted, but something that's, yeah, probably something like that. Something that when you have the hair over it, it's not going to stand out, but it will darken the roots. And if the roots need more darkening, you can darken them more. The scalp area of the roots. Let's see if we can darken that up a little bit more. And mute that down a bit. Let's see if I go the opposite direction maybe. Okay. Make it go up a little. Problem's it's too bright then. But you see it's less noticeable now that it has a darker root system. And one other quick thing is you can switch between the materials really easy in assigning. So say that you didn't like this one, you could just click the hair color that you actually use for your hair, and not the use nodes, that's something else you use to assign. And then you have the color you use for your hair. Anyway, that's it for this video. Hopefully it helps.